Hi, good evening, everyone. Just want to do a quick overview of the trading. I'm sure I've had so many queries about my trading, how it has been. Now that I've been focusing more on digital marketing, just want to do a quick show you of what my trading, how the trading has been, the automated trading in Forex. So let me just get into that. Um, all right. So this is the website that I'm doing that does the analysis of the trading. Um, of course, I'm using my FX book. So let me just get into that briefly. I just show you quickly what is really going on here. Um, so, of course, if you have the opportunity to be able to check on this is the link, and again, I can share the link on the description below. So this is the link to my FX book that links you to the trading. Okay, so this is the account is on FXTM demo, and this is where it is. Okay, and as you can see, it's fully tracked. I have the privilege to trade this account, and this is how it's been. I remember, of course, I updated why, starting from the data I started, which is July last year, on the 18th. Why this earlier part, the first 2.5 months approximately, was quite hectic, and the reason was because the initial deposit that I used was not the appropriate one for this particular trading system. I started with $1,000, and that is the wrong balance to be to use on this account. So on the 17th of October, all right here, I added the correct balance, and that is why it was able to recorrect itself, close off these negative sales trades and you can see this is the equity. The yellow line is the equity, and it rebalanced off, and thereafter it has traded now with the optimum balance and everything. And you can see that the difference between the equity and the balance has been almost the same. In fact, right now as we speak, and this is an update that has happened in the last 3 minutes, you can see that there is almost no difference between equity and the balance. So the system is very, very able to rebalance itself, get the profits out of the market, and so on. And because of this earlier part of the trading, these particular numbers here, that is the average daily and the average monthly, and also this drawdown, are not consistent with how it trades you in optimum in optimum conditions. So this is too aggressive. I mean, you can't have a system that can take you up to 76% drawdown. I mean, that would be madness. All right. Even the monthly is not quite accurate. Actually, the accurate figure right now is these numbers below here, and you can see this month of February, we are already be above 11%. All right. Now, this is more accurate and more in sync of what we are expecting. Even this one of the year, which is basically January and February, you can see it is quite consistent. In 2 months, in this almost close to 2 months, this is what we are having, and so on. But on the live account, I can actually show you what is happening on the live account. So this is actually and by the way, this is not actually updated. Let me reset this first of all, so that you can actually see the current state of of the account, how it is. So this is, I'm just refreshing it so that it gets in the current details, as it were. All right. So let me get that going. All right. All right. Okay, so these are the actual numbers right now as we speak. So already today we've done 0.49%, and this was updated 1 hour ago. The week we are already at 2.87, and this Friday, so more or less it will do about 3%. Then we have the month is already at 12.16, and you can see the year is this last 2 months from January is already at 26%. So let me show you the live account, how the live account is going, and this the live account again. The link to this you can find it in the description below, and this is how the live is doing. All right. So already I am at almost 30%, which is quite incredible. Having known that I started this account not long ago, actually, and the update is very, very recent, this 16 minutes ago. Let me just get this going. Yeah, so you can see I started this account on the 23rd. All right, let me get that. 23rd of December. All right. And it's doing incredibly very well. All right. Again, as you can see, in fact, currently, as we speak, there is, in fact, no trade right now. It's close to all the trades of this morning. It will begin a new set of trading in the New York and the Asian session before the close of trading this evening, which will begin in the next 30 minutes. And you can see, in fact, it's doing slightly better than the demo. This is at 0.49% for today, 2.81 for the week, 12.41 for the month, this month of February, and 26.49 for the year. Very good numbers, all right? If you understand what those numbers mean, this is fairly a stable, good system. The worst it has been able a drawdown that it ever had at any given time, and it was actually around this particular point here. All right, around this particular point was only 7%. All right, that's fairly okay. All right, I know that is slightly more than what prop firms accept. I think prop firms normally want to squish you too much to around 5%. All right. So yeah, this may not work well with the prop firm with those numbers, but for a personal account that you're trading, those are very good numbers. In fact, some people normally even serve as much, good traders can serve as much as 30% of their account. But this being a fully automated system and can only do this, this is quite impressive. So yes, so this is how my trading is doing. Very, 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 very encouraging numbers. You can actually see what it did in January. So January it did this is 12%, all right? And right now we are already at 12%, and we still have a complete one more week to complete this month. So I am seeing a scenario where we can easily touch 15% for this month, which is quite incredible. Anyone who can achieve a trading profitability of 15% in a month, that is incredibly very well. So thank you very much. That's the update on the trading. Any information on how you can access this or how this can be beneficial to you or how you can take advantage of this, just get in touch with me using the links or the commenting on this video or reading on the description below, and I will be able to update you on the same. So thank you very much. God bless you. Have a great day. Appreciate it.